Hi, my name is Kulsum Fatima, and today I'll be presenting the Federation University graduate attributes. I'll be soon graduating from Federation University, and it was a thrilling experience to be the part of this university. This is the outline for my presentation today. Let me begin with an introduction to what are the FedUni attributes. These attributes emphasize on high-level understanding, skills, and qualities which every student should obtain as an outcome of experience and learning during the enrollment at the university. Thinkers, innovators, citizens, communicators, and leaders are the 5 graduate attributes of any FedUni graduate. This is the overview of my master's project, which was a fitness studio subscription. My client owned a fitness studio and offered different programs like yoga, Pilates, salsa, etc. The client wanted to move from a manual booking system to an online-based subscription system. The main aim of this project was to build a sample of 3-year database with dummy data relating to member classes, programs, instructor booking, subscriptions, and payment. Moreover, I have designed a user-friendly dashboard using Microsoft Power BI analytical tool, which gave deeper insights and knowledge, eventually helping the client to make better business decisions. These are the snapshot of dashboards I have created for this project. I designed the homepage and worked on demography, booking, and cancellation dashboards. Let's see how I have demonstrated the FedUni attributes during my project. The first are the thinkers, who are curious, reflective, and critical. I was able to apply critical thinking at every stage of my project from start, where I must understand the client requirement, then analyze the problem statement, and come up with an appropriate solution for the project. I thoroughly researched through available research articles on the topic and came up with my solution as per the client need. I also found best tools and techniques that can be used for the project. The next are the innovators who think creatively and generate ideas. I was able to show my innovation through the design of dashboards in Power BI. I was able to think differently from others and presented my dashboard in a unique way, which made me stand out from others. I tried to explore the best charts that are appropriate to display the specific data in more meaningful way. Moreover, I was able to inspire and help my team members as well as other students from my work. The next are the citizens who ethically and are socially and environmentally aware. Moving and working in a group project helped me to develop this attribute. I was able to communicate and act respectfully towards my team members, and I respected their viewpoints and ideas. Moreover, working with different members belonging to different cultures gave me an opportunity to know the other cultures and respect them. Communicators are the ones who can convey ideas effectively. I got an opportunity to present and communicate my ideas during the weekly stand-up meetings with the client and the supervisor. I was also able to communicate effectively with the team members and other students. I was respectful to my teammates and showed empathy towards their opinions. Next, the leaders are the ones who aspire to make a difference and lead the team. I was able to show my leadership skills and guide my team members. I helped my team members in decision-making at each step of the project. I opted for resilient practices and found alternative solutions in case of failures. Therefore, as a FedUni graduate, I was able to work and learn all these attributes, display them when needed. I enjoyed my time at the college, and I thank all my lecturers and supervisors for all the guidance and support they provided. Thank you.